really think I'm really think I'm going through, and again it is there in my life. So
Yeah, it is very important that those who are going through a lot of physical pain, mental
mm,
pain, emotional
mm,
pain,
mm,
you know, they you can be a guide to them that
mm,
yes, I don't deny that you have a physical pain. I don't deny that you have mental pain. I don't deny that emotional pain. But all these things are at the periphery.
mm.
Why don't you take a dip and
Deeper.
notice, yeah, and go beyond all these physical, mental, emotional states and experience a spiritual state where there is no pain?
Yes, that's a good way of telling them also.
Yeah, it's a good way of telling them. It's it's our duty to tell everybody uh, who's having no escape from pain. There are many people who cannot escape the physical pain.
Mm,
They are in that state, the body is having such issues
mm.
that they are in a physical state of pain. And because of that, maybe mentally, emotionally also they are disturbed.
They disturb. Yeah, it is cycle. It becomes a cycle, right?
If they can go and experience that spiritual joy, spiritual happiness, which comes from self realization.
Mm.
Right now, they're identifying their self as physical self
Mm. Mm. Yes.
and emotional self and mental self, that I am this
Mm. Mm.
and I have these problems.
Mm.
They have labeled themselves
Yeah,
that I
they
have
have
this
labeled
problem.
themselves. That is true.
But deep within, you are beyond all these things. Anyways, you are not this body. You are going to leave this body, this
Yes.
painful body, at some point
Mm.
of time.
Mm.
But while you are all in this body, also, you can understand that if I'm going to leave the body at some point of time, that means I'm in the body right now. So, can I realize that?
Mm.
Can I realize while being in this body? Can I realize? Yeah, only while being in this body you can realize. Once you're out of that, you can't realize.
Yeah.
While you are in this body, you can realize, especially people who are into a lot of physical, mental, emotional pain, they can realize quickly because
Mm.
the moment they go deep into meditation and they are witnessing this pain also, and they realize that, yeah, it is at a distance. When you go in deep meditation, you are at the center of consciousness, you are at the center of the consciousness, like, where you experience that consciousness is like, spreading across. You experience that your body is not at the center.
Mm.
Emotions, thoughts are not at the center. They are at the periphery. It's
Mm.
like you're watching a movie in a theater.
Mm. Mm.
You get that experience of watching a movie in a theater when you go into deep meditation. Then you can see
Mm.
your mental, emotional, spirit, and physical pain
Separate from you.
separate from you. That's the beginning of power. That is the moment
Mm.
when you become liberated. You experience you experience that calmness, that peace,
Mm.
shanti, priti, and anand.
That is the beginning of enlightenment, right? You're
Yes,
getting for
yes,
yourself.
yes. So all those who are suffering, that's why many people who uh, those who are not suffering at a physical, mental, emotional, they have lot of money, healthy body. For them, it is very difficult because they are not suffering.
Mm.
They may not look at this spiritual angle at all.
At all.
Because what is the need? They are
Mm.
having,
They're
they are
happy.
having a good, they are partying, they are enjoying, they are going to the beaches, they are going to, like, they are eating what they want to eat, and they are going, doing different activities, everything, right? Everything is going on. So a lot of excitement outside, everything is,
That's
stimulation
what
is there.
my friend is telling me. Maybe sometimes we get problems in life so that our life, this changes purpose, for us to know our life purpose, that we have to go into the spiritual line. uh, Different ways things have come, but we didn't turn into that line. So it is a, jab bada fatka milta hai, automatically go into that line.
Yeah, some people come into spirituality not because of physical pain, but some mental emotional pain.
Mental emotional
And
pains.
so they turn, and that's a, it can be seen as a negative thing, it can be seen as a positive
Yeah,
thing,
yes.
but it's definitely something to explore.
Mm,
Anybody who has any kind of pain, suffering,
mm,
it's it's worth to understand that this pain is at the periphery, not at the center. And at the center, everything is fine.
mm.
There is peace
You're
and
whole,
joy.
you're complete. Mm,
Yeah, and you're whole and complete. And you don't need anyone to complete you.
yes.
And when with that completeness, you can have best of relationships.
Mm.
Once your relationship with yourself is sorted
It's
and
improved,
you
yeah.
realize your own self, then you can have very good relationship with others, because
Anybody.
it's not
Mm,
superficial. It's not at a physical level.
mm,
It's not based on giving and taking.
mm,
It's not at physical, mental, emotional level. It's at a spiritual level. And
mm,
that's what, as spiritual teachers, what we are giving is not something physical.
mm,
Also, as as a as a meditation or Reiki teacher or any other spiritual technique, what the teachers are passing on to their students is something
mm.
spiritual. It's not something
Yeah,
physical or mental or emotional.
it's much beyond. Mm. That's what it depends on how we take it. It's very important how we take it,
Yeah.
how deep. Mhm.
So it's one way of sharing. Uh, at least we can share this. We have a realization of this, so we can share with in our own words that this is what is
Mm,
possible. Life
mm,
doesn't have to be painful.
mm. Let's see, she will come now on 10th. So after that, I will start slowly telling her things. They are not always receptive also, but when they are in the receptive mood, good mood, we can talk to them
Yes.
in this